In this video, I will show how to perform a divergence test on a series. First of all, let me remind you what the divergence test is. When you have a series and the limit of the general term as n goes to infinity is not equal to 0, we conclude that the series diverges. When the limit is equal to 0, that doesn't mean anything. So, in other words, we can say that the test did not apply for this series. So in our case, we have the series given, and to apply the divergence test, we have to find the limit of the nth term. And the limit of the nth term, this is a well-known expression, this limit is equal to e. E is a constant, it's definitely not equal to 0, and therefore the original series diverges by the divergence test.